What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to customize quick launch in Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on additional settings. Now in additional settings, click on gesture shortcuts and then open the quick launch that you want to customize. So you can customize launch Google Assist, take a screenshot, partial screenshot, or launch camera, or you can also turn on torch by double pressing the power button. So to customize, just simply tap on a option, then you can turn on or turn off, double press the power button for the quick launch, or you can turn on or off, double press the volume down when screen is locked. So that's how you can customize the quick launch in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.